To retain customer attention, forward-thinking manufacturers have had to adapt their approach. The demand for standard one-size-fits-all products is declining as customers become more educated and have greater expectations for the products and services that they're offered. It's never been easier to shop around and to find products that better fit their needs. So to retain customer attention, forward-thinking manufacturers have had to adapt their approach. The growth of cloud platforms has enabled manufacturers to define their product offerings digitally, empowering sales teams with the product knowledge and the tools to more efficiently configure, price, quote and sell. E-commerce makes self-service configuration directly available to the end customer, and visual configuration creates new opportunities to bring products to life, presenting unique possibilities rather than expecting the customer to accept an off-the-shelf product. Of course, increased customisation can create challenges for any organisation. At the front end, the sales team are challenged to be knowledgeable in and efficiently sell a broader range of product possibilities. Order entry teams need to shift from processing orders for large quantities of a few standard products to many smaller quantities of non-standard product variants. Engineering support for the sales process is increased, and when an order is won, they are under pressure to translate unique customer requirements into usable manufacturing data quickly and accurately. Listening to our customers over the last 20 years, Configure One's enterprise CPQ technology has evolved to address the challenges that customisation poses to an organisation. At the front end, visual configuration and a powerful rules engine supports the sales team to offer complex, multi-option products. The intuitive, interactive customer experience increases confidence, and as a result, the time to order is reduced. Automating tasks such as calculating prices, generating quotes, and processing orders at the click of a button greatly reduces lead times and eliminates keying errors. With product compatibility rules loaded and outputs such as BOMs, routings, and production drawings and models automated, the load on the engineering team is lightened, enabling them to better focus on developing the next generation of products and staying ahead of the competition.